the second of 3 videos on a day in the life with Clicker Cloud Center. Cloud Center manages the entire application development and infrastructure lifecycle, allowing users to build application-centric, cloud-agnostic models that can be deployed to any data center or cloud environment. Andrew is modeling the Magento application that Danielle deployed in the previous video. He used to spend a lot of time configuring systems for other people or troubleshooting systems with inconsistent configurations. With Cloud Center's application profiles, applications are deployed consistently through automating the entire application stack, including infrastructure and application code. Environments are deployed with all requirements and are immediately ready to start developing against. Like Danielle, Andrew can update or deploy certain existing applications, but he can also create new ones from scratch. Clicker offers 12 templates for different application types to help start modeling. 3-tiered applications like Magento fit the N-tier execution template best. This is the drag and drop topology modeler tool, where over 30 out-of-the-box services can be combined to model a simple or complex application. The services library is also completely extensible to allow for any type of service. Some examples of popular services are centralized F5 load balancers and AWS DynamoDB. Magento is going to be in a Docker container from Docker Hub, but it could also come from a local repository. To handle the large stateful datasets, Andrew elected to use their current MySQL build, configured by Puppet. He connects all the tiers together to model their dependency to each other. This is the core of the application topology, but he adds a load balancer in case someone wants to enable load-based or schedule-based autoscaling. Using the AWS Cloud-specific Elastic Load Balancer will make it so that users can only deploy this profile to AWS. If Andrew chose to use a non-cloud specific service like Nginx instead, the profile could be deployed to any cloud. That means that the more clouds a company supports, the more developer time Cloud Center saves by not requiring a cloud-specific model for each supported cloud. To finish, he adds some basic information, things like application name, version, access link, tags, and image. If his company were using Cisco ACI or VMware NSX, he could check the microsegmentation box and Cloud Center would create the software-defined network security rules to ensure that only dependent application tiers could communicate with each other. It's also here that he can force a tag onto the application profile so it's deployed with specific policies. Because Magento is an e-commerce site, Andrew applies the PCI tag to guide governance policies and placement. He also locks it so it can't be removed during the deployment. Andrew can now share the application profile with everyone, select people, or certain groups, along with controlling who can edit and deploy. Since he doesn't want to manage access to this profile in the future, he also publishes it to the company's marketplace for anyone to be able to import and deploy. With Cloud Center, Andrew is able to document the infrastructure and application requirements in one profile, which decreased wait time for users to get development environments, decreased troubleshooting by ensuring environmental consistency, and deduplicated effort of deploying to multiple clouds through a cloud-agnostic model. Next up, watch the day in the life of an admin video that shows how administrators can easily gain visibility and control across the boundaries of applications, clouds, and users.